Hey guys, welcome back. It's Shelby and today I'm so excited because I am going to Disney World. I've never been before, super pumped. And yes, it's going to be a little bit different than any other year other than 2020 because of the coronavirus, but as far as I can tell, the park is taking it very seriously and safety precautions very seriously. And I'm hoping that's gonna be enough. So I'm packing lots of masks and gloves and hand sanitizer, and we're just basically gonna make the best of it and hope that it works out really well and is just a wonderful time. So as I said, I've never been, but I've been looking into the weather at Florida and just basically what I wanna do. So I've come up with a couple outfits and things that I am packing for this week-long trip, and I wanted to share them with you guys, including the extra things that I'm bringing just to keep myself safe, like the masks and gloves and hand sanitizer, in case you guys are going and need ideas of what I'm bringing. I'll definitely let you know how it turns out once I'm there and try to get a little bit of footage of what it's like in the parks at this point. But I wanted to bring you guys along. I like packing videos, as you guys know, so anytime I travel, I try to bring you guys along on what I'm packing and the highlights of my trip. So that's what we're doing today, and here we go.
My first outfit is a wrap front blue and yellow floral dress. It covers my shoulders, which is going to be great for Florida summer. I don't want a sunburn. It goes a little bit above my knees and provides good airflow. The second outfit is a similarly cut dress with pink and black swirls, covers my shoulders. These are fantastic shorts for wearing under your dresses because they have pockets, completely unheard of in women's clothing, particularly in exercise shorts, which is what these are. I'll link them below. They are incredible. You can fit your whole cell phone in them. I can't help but show them off a couple times throughout this video. I wear them under basically all my dresses, including this one, which is a faux wrap dress. It's black with pink florals on it. I'm also wearing the shorts under this dress. It's a little bit shorter, but I wanted to show that the shorts basically just fit under everything, and you can put everything in the pocket. On the right, I always keep my cell phone, and on the left, some chapstick, sunscreen if you need it, baby hand sanitizer, whatever you need. This is the next dress, also covers my shoulders. This one is a black shorter dress with the shorts, of course. Sorry, I show those off a lot. It's a skater skirt, which I like with the shorts because then it kind of hides whatever you have in your pockets because there'll be a little bit of a bulge. This is a purple dress that you saw in my New York video as well. I've worn it on Instagram. I love this dress, similar cut as the others. Kind of a staple for me when I travel. I love it a lot. This is a blue and white stripe dress with little peekaboo details on the side. Does not cover my shoulders, so this one I have to be careful in. My anytime, anywhere, have to wear it Jurassic Park shirt because it's super cute and I love it. I will not be wearing this in Disney parks. Don't worry. I know it's a different franchise. Also, I wanted to go kind of cute and casual, but if I didn't want to wear a dress, I wanted to still look pretty put together. So this is a somewhat see-through white shirt that covers your shoulders with a floral detail. I'm wearing a cami under it, and I always do, but it's cute and put together, same as this tank top. It's loose and breezy, which is really going to be a benefit in Florida heat, and this one's white with some red little tri-floral petal details, and that's basically everything I'm going to wear.
So it's been a while since I've done a packing video. Luckily for me, Florida is going to be 90 and rainstorms, and I know what that sounds like, but that's basically the weather here in Minnesota. So I know what I'm getting myself into, which is nice. Additionally, because it's rainstorms, I have less of a chance of getting sunburned, which is a real possibility, especially because not all of the clothing that I'm bringing has sleeves, and it's a huge gamble, but I'm bringing really good sunblock. So I'm hoping that's going to protect my shoulders. I'm literally just packing the clothes that you saw me try on a second ago. That's it. That is basically 8 days worth of clothing. What you didn't see me pack was my outfit for the plane, the black shorts and Jurassic Park shirt. And then I'm also going to be wearing my flip-flops on the plane. These flip-flops are going to be getting me through Disney. Yes, they're Crocs, I know, but whatever. They're somewhat cute. And I can walk all day in these and be fine, and I can't say that about any other shoe I own. Alternatively, I am packing this pair of sandals because it is also comfortable, and when we get there, we're going to get there the first night. It'll be evening and not a lot of walking around, so that's going in there. Don't forget to pack your undergarments. I'm not showing that, obviously. Because it is COVID, I am bringing all sorts of masks, like a whole box of paper masks. I want to be able to get into the parks, and they have a huge strict mask requirement, so that's important. But also I just want to make sure that I have enough and it's not one per day. Like if something happens or it gets wet, I can throw it away and get a new one if I need to. Also hand sanitizer, I'm going to put this in here because I'm going to take it out and put it in my TSA friendly bag. Same with my hand lotion, you guys know I need that. Tissues to travel with, very important. Toothbrush, toothpaste. Those are just going to tuck right in there. The Magic Pass band, which is very important because apparently this is your wallet at Disney. Like you wear this and you don't bring a wallet. So I'm excited. Mine is beautiful. Love it so much, and so excited to have this because, like I said, I've never been there before, so this is a big deal for me. Also chapstick. These are going up here. Makeup wipe removers. Sheet mask because I get dry on the plane. These right here. Oh my God, if you have not used these blister band-aids, you are missing out. Even if you have a blister and it pops, you put these on there and it stops hurting. They are amazing. And even though I'm bringing shoes I know I can survive in, these are a must. Hair straightener goes down here. Nail file and hairbrush with a posy on it. Also, did I mention it's 90 degrees? I'm gonna want my hair up, so I'm bringing a hair claw. My cool towel, you get it wet, you put it on your neck, and nice things happen. So I'm gonna put that down here because it's not really clothing. Makeup, sleep mask for the plane. I'm gonna pull this out and put it in my handbag, but I'll put it in there for now. Sunblock, also going in the TSA friendly. It's 3 ounces. This is 100 SPF, and I know over 30, you know, it might or might not do anything, but whatever. I'm using this stuff. I know I won't burn with it, so that's going there. And then also I'm bringing just a canvas bag to put my dirty clothes in so that they're not next to my clean clothes. And that's it. That's what I'm taking to Disney. Whole week, 8 days in this bag with room for souvenirs because let's be real, that's honestly the most important part. So lots of room for souvenirs and lots of room for my clothes, and I'm ready to get on the plane.